Hey everybody, Ryan Brown here at Alpha Laser and Imaging. We have this plan to help you manage the cost of your information where we want to make things easier for users, easier to support for IT, help you manage the cost of your consumables and usage, and then keep everything secure. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to add a user into Uniflow Online and get the ability to print using Google's authentication method in Uniflow Online. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so the first thing you'll notice up at the top here is there's a URL up here. This is a tenant URL for Uniflow Online. Okay, and this particular tenant URL is our in-house tenant. So please do not log into this particular tenant. You'll want to log into your company specific tenant, which if you were ABC company, most likely it would be something like abccompany.us.uniflowonline.com. If you're unsure what your tenant URL is, please pause this video, give us a call, 812-475-1644, and we'll get you your personal tenant URL for your company. So once I have that information, what we're going to do is just go straight to continue with Google. And it's going to ask us for our email address and password. So we'll go ahead and get that information in here. There we go. And what it's saying here is it's going to send us an email to verify who we are. Okay, so we'll go into our email account. Notice there's an email there. Open it up, and down below it says click here to access Uniflow Online. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And now it's going to get us into the website itself. So this is our personal portal for print. And there's a lot of options here. But first thing we like to do is go ahead and create a bookmark. That way we don't have to remember the web page. And I like to call it Alpha Print because we're Alpha Laser and Imaging. Okay. And next, I like to show off the PIN code. So if you look to the right of this identity called PIN, there's three little dots. We're going to click on that. We're going to hit show PIN code, and now our PIN code for secure release is there available for us. We also have this set up to where it'll actually send you an email the first time you log on, so that you can save this email with your PIN code in it for future reference. All right, so now that we understand the PIN code and are all logged in, we're going to go click on Start Printing. And there's lots and lots of options on this page, but we're not going to worry too much about all of the options because we just want to make sure you're getting connected to print. So I'm on a Windows computer, so I'm going to click Download Windows Printer Driver, and we're going to start that download process. All right, I'm going to open that. Whenever we open it, it says Windows protected your PC. Click on More Info, and then we're going to click on Run Anyway. All right. All right. So now that the application is downloaded, the application wants to connect us to the web service. So we're going to go ahead and click Continue with Google again. All right, it's going to authenticate. Now it says registration was successful. You can close this window now. So we'll go ahead and close it. And then we're going to go down to the application down at the bottom here and click on it, and then we're going to click Start. So setup complete. We're going to go ahead and start the service. And now we're connected to Uniflow Online. So first thing I like to do once we get all connected here is go ahead and right click on this little icon down at the bottom and click About, and then re-register just to make sure we get a good connection to Uniflow Online. And now we're all connected. And we're going to do a test document just to show you what print looks like here. But I'm actually going to default the printer that was created whenever the application downloaded, which is our Alpha Print Driver. And you'll notice here's the Alpha Print Driver. So in printers and scanners, we're going to just click on it, click Manage, and then Set as Default. All right. We're going to go ahead and do a test print. So we'll hit File, Print. It's defaulted to alpha print. We'll go ahead and hit Print. And one of the cool things about Uniflow and this driver is that I can point this driver to any connected printer. So let's see. And now that this popped up, so it gives you some options. It tells us, do we want to send this through as a secure print, or do we want to send it to Amanda's copier, or do we want to send it to the copy room? Okay, so that secure print, is exactly as it seems. You click on secure print, that job gets thrown out into the web queue. You can use the pin that we mentioned earlier to release that job. If you select Amanda's copier or copy room in this scenario, it would just spit out like normal. So we're going to go ahead and click on secure queue here. And just to recap, to make sure we have access to that print job, we'll go into the web service one more time and we'll go into the dashboard and I'll show you where that pin code is. If you go to the right of pin, show pin code, and now that pin code is available again. So now you're set up to print. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment below with any input or if there's any other instructional videos you'd like to see. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.